dry shampoo. I love the Moroccan Oil Light. There's also Moroccan Oil Dark Tones for those of you with dark hair. And this is one of my favorite. This has always been actually my favorite dry shampoo. I can't help it. I love the smell, but it works so well too. So what we're going to do is spray it in our part line. You're going to feel it. It feels a little damp at first. And when I'm spraying it, I'm not this. I'm out here, and I'm getting about from here to here with the dry shampoo. Definitely at the root, but also out just a little bit. The other place that I like to get is right under here. I don't like how that starts to feel under there. I like it to feel fresh. And that's, I guess, why I love this one, because I feel fresh after using it. After I do that, I'm going to let it set for a minute, probably 2 minutes, right? And I'll feel it dry in my hair, and then I'm going to wipe it out with a dry towel. My dry shampoo feels good. It doesn't feel damp anymore, so I'm going to take a clean, dry towel. I'm going to rub right where I put it. And you'll get to see it on your towel. But now you know it's not in your hair, it's not on your scalp, and it feels so much better to have that gone. But like I said, I have to get it all under there too. Not everyone does. More specifically, always around your hairline, always on your part.